What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I've got my Camaro out, the Hunter, kind of a grudge track, kind of a no prep track, not a whole lot of prep, and we're going to see if we can make the Camaro go down the lanes, go down the track. Myself today. Sharon had to work, so I'm out here. It's about 70 degrees. It's beautiful track racing weather, but we're at Wayne County Drag Stripper in a Hunter. Now this track is known for being kind of a outlaw style track. Not crazy amounts of prep. Going to be a good test to see if I can make something happen with this Camaro, but you're going to see video from in the car, because if it does blow up, I want you guys to see it. Well, I just made my first hit, and guess what? You didn't see it. You know why? Because I'm an idiot. And the GoPro never got turned on. Actually, it's down there on the floor. Nothing crazy, just a kind of a shakedown. The AFRs are perfect. They're spot on where they need to be. Made a little bit more boost than I was hoping to make, because it should have been 3.5 PSI of boost, but it made just about 6 at 6,000 RPM. I only went to 6,000 RPM first gear. It felt slow, so I'm like, there's no point in like really breaking nothing when I need to see a log on this. I have no idea what the car is going to do. But the line lock worked, so that's cool. Kind of hard to, kind of judge everything, but the line lock worked and it hooked up and it went. Now I left on 0 boost. I just kind of foot braked it to like 1200 RPM and then nailed it. So I think next time I'm gonna try to launch on a little more boost, but I did get a 199 60 foot, and I was off of it before the 330 and ran a 5.3 330 and a 913 eighth mile at 54.827 miles an hour. So at least everything looks good. Hopefully next time I won't be a dumbass and we'll actually turn the GoPro on so you can see out the hood. I did get a nice puff of, I think, fuel or something came flying out the friggin' tailpipe when or the driver's side exhaust when I got on it. It was clear and it's all over the dashboard, so condensation, water, raw fuel, I don't know. I did just change the plugs, so if they're fouled, I'll know that I'm dumping too much fuel. But they're gonna run their next round of mod ET, and I'm gonna probably turn the boost controller on this time and try to leave on a little bit of boost this time. And we'll see what happens. For those that want to keep track, that was a 199 60 foot, 529 330, and an 860 eighth mile at 61 miles an hour. Log said I hit 78, so obviously I wasn't on it the whole way. So I might actually go full past this next one, because this is probably going to be my last one. But I don't know. Something's not really too happy. And I feel like the best way to figure out what's not happy is to do it again. So whatever spark plug I pull out that looks terrible, it looks really terrible, and I don't have a problem confusing it with a good one. Sounds good, right? Well, true to form, I think I forgot to hit the GoPro on 2 of the 4 runs. So, I mean, you've only got 2 runs when I actually did 4. But Started out doing a 9.1, then did an 860, then an 850, and that last pass where it shifted into second gear with the flames coming out, that was kind of cool. You know that was cool. That was a 796 at 79, and I mean, it told me I was doing 87 at one point, so obviously I'm letting off well before the 8th mile. But I have some good data. Now I know I need to hook the trans brake up, because I was a 180, 160 foot. So I think I can easily get this thing down to a 140, 130, 60 foot. I don't know if I'll be able to get it any more than that because the gearing's kind of wrong. I'm still using the 277 rear gear and a 480E, so not the greatest rear gear for 60 foots. But this is a short video because I'm terrible at taking video when I'm also doing everything else, so sorry. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Now y'all know I wasn't gonna leave you with that stuff, man. That was, me screwing up on the camera. So I'll give you another track day. Test and tune. $10 Tuesday test and tune at Rockingham Dragway. We're out here, about to make a hit. See how it goes. All right, first hit. New personal best, as I'm always going to keep hitting personal best right now. 736 at 101 with a 179 60 foot. I even launched it a little softer than I had the last time. It's amazing what happens when you put the proper wideband in it. So there's that. Let's see what changes we're going to make and kind of go from there.
Might have gone a little bit past the 8th mile. I saw the other car, was like, I have to try to run him down, and there was no chance. I don't know why I did that. I was down a little bit of mile an hour to the 8th. I'll have to figure that one out.
That's it. Calling it. 699 at 104. Fastest pass in the car, first 6-second pass in the 8th mile. I'm calling it good there. There's no need to kill anything. We're gonna go back, look at the data logs. I have a few things I want to do to the car. I want to hook up the trans brake. I want to hook up the ice box and trans brake, ice box. There's a third thing. I know there's a third thing. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But for right now, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. It's been a real good journey for me. I can't believe it's been 4 years. I finally got a 6-second best in this thing. I'm psyched. Catch you next time, guys.